Hello, my name is Shabaz Darr. I'm a Microsoft MVP, a Nerdio MVP, and a Microsoft certified trainer. Now I create a lot of YouTube content, and whilst I've been planning kind of my content for the next few months, I'm going to be focusing on migration from on-premises to cloud, cloud to cloud, and things like that. During my sort of planning, I've come across multiple different sort of tools, and I had the opportunity recently to test a product called Stellar Migrator, and I want to share a little bit about my experience. So my main sort of thing I wanted to look at was Office 365 to Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migrations. Now these can be very, very complex and sort of time consuming. Normally you're having to deal with permissions, connectivity issues, and sort of manual mapping of mailboxes. And this can quickly become a headache and quite cumbersome. That's where Stellar Migrator really impressed me. Now, this tool can not only do obviously tenant-to-tenant in Office 365 migrations, but can also do on-premises exchange to on-premises exchange, on-premises exchange to Office 365, and vice versa. So what really impressed me about this tool is how straightforward it was. Connected seamlessly to both, in my case I was doing tenant-to-tenant, and it seamlessly connected to the source and destination tenant. All the API permissions were automatically generated and were automatically assigned. Just had to log in and authenticate with my source and my destination tenant. It allowed me to easily map mailboxes as well from the source to the destination tenant. And once the migration was complete, it provided me with a lot of detailed reports and insights that were extremely useful for sort of validation and auditing purposes as well. So if you are looking for a reliable, easy to use sort of solution that can not only do on-premises exchange migrations, but also exchange online migrations, especially the tenant-to-tenant, I highly recommend Stellar Migrator. It saved me a lot of time, a lot of headache, and a lot of pain. It reduced the complexity, and it delivered exactly what I needed. So check it out, and thanks for watching.